Hello students. So we are going to study the important topic in fourth module, that is called the normalization. So we said, what is the meaning of normalization? Normalization is the process of organizing data in a database. So as we said, we know that database consists of a lot of information related to any organization or an enterprise, and we need to organize the data, and that process is called the normalization. And normalization is mainly used, that is, its main purpose is, the first purpose or first goal of normalization is to minimize the redundancy of a table. That is, we want to avoid duplicate data. The second one is to eliminate the anomalies. So we already studied different types of anomalies. Anomalies means problems. Mainly we are dividing the anomalies into insertion anomaly, update anomaly, and deletion anomaly. So its elimination is the second purpose of normalization. So normalization, we explained, it is the process of organizing data in a database, and its main goals are reduce the redundancy of relations or a set of relations, eliminate the anomalies like insertion, deletion, and update anomalies. Then how you will perform the normalization? Normalization is performed by decomposition of a relation, that is, dividing a larger table into one or two or more smaller tables. Then we will link these smaller tables using relationship. So we will perform this decomposition, that is, if we see that the relation we created is not it's an unsatisfactory relation schema, or the structure is not satisfied one, then we will try to perform the decomposition. Okay. And actually the normalization process is first developed by E.F. Core. And there are, we know that there are different types of normalizations are there. First normalization, second normal form, third normal form. So like that, a lot of normalization processes are there. In each of these normal forms, we have to apply or we will try to eliminate certain properties. That is, if you want to perform normalization, or if you want to make a table to be normalized, we have to pass through all this sequence of steps. If a table which is not normalized is called an unnormalized table, or if a relation consists of one or more repeating groups or repeated data are there, then such form is called an unnormalized form. Now we have to study some most popular normal forms. So these four are the most popular normal forms. The first one is 1NF, first normal form, 2NF, second normal form, 3NF, third normal form, BCNF, Boyce-Codd normal form. So these four are most popular among normal forms, but these are the main different types of, if you want to explain different types of normal forms, they are 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, 4NF, and 5NF. Here the last two are not more popularly used one, but these are popularly used one. So here the description will give you how you will make a table into each of this normal form. So here 1NF, if you want to this, we will study in detail how to make a table into all these normal forms. So if you want to make a table into 1NF, then the table should contain atomic data, atomic values. And the second one is, if you want to make a table into 2NF, it must be in 1NF. And all non-key attributes should be fully functionally dependent on the primary key. So we will study in detail about all these points, but now you just understand how to make a how to make a table in particular normal form. So this is the condition for the first normal form. This is the condition for the second normal form. And if you want to make a table into 3NF, it should be in 2NF. And also no transition dependency must exist. So that is the property that should be satisfied if you want to make a table into 3NF. Next one is 4NF. 4NF means if a table is said to be in 4NF if it is in Boyce-Codd normal form. So 4NF, actually in between 3 and 4NF, we will there is another normal form that is called BCNF, Boyce-Codd normal form, which is also called 3.5NF. Okay, so if a table want to be in 4NF, it should be in BCNF, and there is no multi-value dependency. Then the last one is 5NF. So if you want to make a table into 5NF, it should be in 4NF, and it should not contain, the table should not contain join dependency, and joining should be lossless. So these are the main points, main description about each and every normal form. So if you want to make a table into a corresponding normal form, it should satisfy all the properties specified in the description part of that normal form. So first we are going to study about the first normal form. A relation is said to be in first normal form. That is the condition is that the relation should contain only atomic values. That means the table, if you have a table is there, the table cannot hold any multiple values. All the rows must contain, or all the values must be single valued attribute. The table should only contain single valued attribute. So I will show you one example figure. Suppose this is a table given and it is not in 1NF. Okay, if you want to make, if you see the table, you can see that these 4 columns are there inside this employee table. Employee ID, employee name, employee phone number, and employee's name. If you check each and every row, we can see that for the first person, first employee with employee number 14, his name is John, and he has 2 phone numbers are there, and he is from UP. And in the second row, 20 is the employee ID, Harry is the name, he has only 1 phone number, and he is from Bihar. The third person is Sam with employee ID 12. He has also 2 phone numbers. He is from Punjab. So in order to make this table into one normal form, each row must contain, so each column, each attribute must be single value. That is, only one value should be there. So if you see the first and third row, the employee number 2 phone numbers are there for that corresponding employee. So this is not an atomic value. Atomic value means only one value per row. So if you want to make this table into 1NF, what we have to do is we have to write separate row for this 2 phone numbers. So just remember 14 John, these 2 phone numbers, UP was the first row of your original table. So if you want to make this table into, if you want to make it into first normal form, you have to make 2 separate entries for 2 different phone numbers. So here you can see 14 John, this is the first phone number, he is from UP. And since he also has one more phone number, we will write another row, 14 John. This is the second phone number of John, and he's as we know, he's from UP. And in the original table, the second, if you see the second row, it contains only one value. There is no multiple value for any particular field. So we will write as it is in the normalized table. And next comes the last row. Here Sam has 2 different multi-values are there for his phone number. So we will write it separately. So 12 Sam, the first row phone number, Punjab. Then 12 Sam, second phone number, Punjab. So now this table is in first normal form. So now we can study what are the points we have to write for the first normal form. A relation is said to be first normal form if it contains atomic values. Atomic value means this is now in the first normal form. If you see each and every column of this table, it contains only one value, single value. It's not, you have that doesn't mean repetition, but if you check here, if you check this row, here 2 values are there for this row, only one value for this row, 2 values are there for this row, so it is not possible. So we have to write like this. If you see any corresponding column, only one value, 14, 14, 20, 12, 12, John, John, Harry, Sam, Sam, this number, phone number, next phone number, next phone number, like that, UP, UP. So if you see each and every row, there is only one value, multiple values are not allowed. So a relation is said to be in 1NF if it contains atomic values. That means the attribute of a table cannot hold multiple values. It can hold only single valued attribute. Single valued attribute, as we said, only one value will be there if you check each and every attribute. And first normal form mainly it disallows the multi-valued attribute, composite attribute and a combination. That is, if you have given a table which contains multiple values, composite attributes, we know different types of attributes are there. Multi-valued means more than one value. For example, in this example, the phone number has multiple values are there for certain persons. So it is not allowed. That is the meaning of multi-valued attributes. Then composite attribute means like address. The address mainly consists of the house name, street number, city, etc. So that is composite attribute or combination. So if the table is if you have a table, if a particular attribute value is of any of these types or any of its combination types, it is not in 1NF. So you have to make in order to make this table into 1NF, you have to avoid this multi-valued attribute and composite attribute. Okay. So this is the main point about this first normal form. A relation in first normal form, if every attribute in the relation is single valued attribute. So here we can see if you check now, if you check each and every attribute values, they are single value. That is only one attribute value is there for each and every column. So that is the idea of 1NF, first normal form.